Hello friends, welcome to the first lecture of anatomy, which includes the introduction of the skeletal system. So please subscribe, like and share the channel. Okay there, now what's the skeletal system? The 206 bones of the adult skeleton, which provide the structure, protection and facilitate motion, is called the skeletal system. These 206 bones are grouped into the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton comprises the bones of the vertebral column, the thoracic cage and skull, also the head region. On the lower part, it's articulated with the hip bones, which form the pelvic girdle, and on upper part it serves the attachment site for the muscular sling that holds the shoulder girdle. The vertebral column is a flexible series of bones called vertebrae, and it's divided into the cervical region, which consists of the 7 vertebrae, the thoracic region, which consists of 12 vertebrae, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral and 4 the coccyx. Only the upper 24 vertebrae are movable and the rest are fused, and there are only 33 vertebrae present in our vertebral column, which makes a spinal canal and which supports the spinal cord present in between them, and also it supports the rest of the axial skeleton. Thoracic cage is flexible framework of bones and cartilages surrounding the main organs of respiration and circulation. It comprises from the sternum. This is the head of the sternum, the body of the sternum, 12 thoracic vertebrae on the back side of the thoracic region, all from the upper side, these from this area, and last to the 12th thoracic vertebra. And we have 7 vertebrosternal ribs. In other words, we can call the true ribs, which are having the true articulations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are having the true articulations with the sternum and the vertebrae. And we have the 5 false ribs, which are present here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are considered the false ribs, which are not having the true articulation to the sternum, and these are only articulated through the cartilage. The skull comprises a large number of fused bones that make up the cranium and the bones of the facial skeleton. We have 8 bones on the cranium. This is the cranial region, and we have the 14 bones present on our facial region. Okay, now let's talk about the appendicular system. It consists of 126 bones, which is divided into the upper limb, lower limb, the pelvic girdle and the shoulder girdle. The bones of each limb are organized into regions and connected by different joints. Okay, the upper limb consists of 30 bones. This articulates with the scapula through the this is called the shoulder girdle, and this is a ball and socket joint. In upper limb we have the humerus, the arm, which is also called the brachium, antebrachium or the forearm, which is also the radius ulna, and the hand. The lower limb is also the same as the upper limb. It also consists of the 30 bones, and this articulates with the pelvis, called the pelvic girdle. Also it's a ball and socket joint. Same, it has the thigh, and thigh includes the femur and also the leg and the foot. So this was all about the introduction to the skeletal system. Please let me know any question in comment section. If you liked it, so please share with your friends. Thank you so much.